Okay, I think there's about 11 participation here as now, so that's good. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. If you can hear me, just give me a hint or say yes, I can hear you, please. All the members are hearing me right now? Anyone? Okay, great. Let's start. My name is Al-Hamza Fadel Abbas, and I am a PhD student from Azman Hashim International Business School. And my specialization is in business administration, and I am concentrate on marketing. I really appreciate all the members and all the participants to join me this evening. And inshallah, we will share our knowledge with you, so it will be useful for every one of you. Thank you very much. Okay, so first of all, I would like to start talking about a bibliometric research paper, which is very, okay, I will try to using the camera. Hello, everyone see me? Okay, so a bibliometric research paper, it is one of the techniques that could helping any students or any researcher, especially postgraduate students, to skimming and looking for different topic, papers in his specific topic. Okay, so right now I will divide the lectures into two parts. The first part we will talking about, I will do a presentation, and the second part we will apply how we will do a bibliometric paper by using the data, Scopus database. Okay, so I just want to hint for everyone, you know, here there is international students and also Iraqi students. As long as I am from Iraq, maybe one of my colleagues are from Iraq too. If they cannot ask in English, they can ask me in Arabic, and I will answer them in Arabic. And after that, if the question was very important, I can translate to you all for the international. Okay? Okay, great. So first of all, I will share the presentation. Okay, so I just want to know that everyone can see the presentation here. Everyone can see it?
Yes, we can see.
Okay, great. Okay, so a bibliometric research paper. Right now I am in the semester 3, so I try to work in different techniques or different research techniques that could helping me to publish paper in different journals, and especially Q1 journals, Q1, Q2, and Q3 as well. So as you know, that bibliometric analysis is one of the techniques. So overall, I will start talking about the general idea about the literature review and different methods that could be used to analyze the data or the other research papers. Okay. So first of all, we have to understand that the concept of literature review, it has been divided to several categories. And as you see, first one here is the literature review. So what is mean, if you ask yourself, what is mean the literature review? As we know that information analysis, is literature review is kind of a bunch of research or information knowledgeable information that could be shared online with different research paper as well. So literature review, it's kind of information analysis and synthesis. So it's focusing on finding and not simply bibliographic citation, like summarizing the substance of the literature and drawing conclusion from it. Okay, so there is a traditional literature review, which is using the critical approach. And this is most of the students, PhD students, maybe before 10 years or even it's still a lot of researchers working on this right now on the traditional literature review. So it is talking about that it is a critical approach which might assess theory or hypothesis by critically examining the method and result a signal primary study. This is for the traditional. So the second one, which is called systematic literature review. Okay, for me, I am as long as I am a PhD student right now, I'm using systematic literature review most of the time because this method is very important to categorize and summarize all my papers that I already read in my own topic. So systematic is kind of review with a clear state purpose, a question, a defined search approach, that starting conclusion and exclusion criteria by producing a quantitative appraisal of article. Okay, this is for systematic literature review. There is another way, which is bibliometric analysis, which we will concentrate on it right now. So you see that bibliometric analysis, it's related with the statistical analysis, talking about the published articles and citation therein and measure their impact and finding which article it is the most cited, and also which is institution had the most institution has worked on specific topic. Okay. So also there is another concept of literature review or method, which is called meta-analysis. Meta-analysis, it's kind of also statistical analysis, which combine like the results of multiple scientific studies. So we can say that meta-analysis, it's kind of concentrate on the results. So when you're using on the results and we analyze the results of different papers, and after that we conclude according to our review. Okay, and the last one, it is the content analysis. Content analysis, if you attend the last lecture from ISS IRAQ, Dr. Hamid has been it's already worked on content analysis, which using NVivo. Okay, NVivo is part of text analysis or content analysis, which is analyzing the text data. Okay, so this is all about the concepts and the methods that you are ready to use. You can use any one of them, but every method has its own techniques that could helping you to do your own paper in your own field. Okay, great. So before we continue, I would like to say that if everyone has a question, please register your question on a paper. So inshallah, after the lecture, I will answer each question from you. Thank you very much for your collaboration. Great. Okay, let's continue right now. Okay, so I make this bibliometric mapping. I just want trying to showing you how bibliometric analysis works. Okay, this is kind of visualization. As you see, this is using a program, software program for visualization of the bibliometric analysis. Okay, we will come it is later on it later. Okay, and this is the idea about the mapping of bibliometric. Okay, so the bibliometric analysis and citation process, how it's work. So these steps, they have about 6 steps here, and they are very important. You can concentrate on each step and to ask yourself specific question why you want to do a specific bibliometric paper. So the first step, it is the research object. You have to ask yourself, what is the expected outcome of the study? That's mean, what do you want? Why are you doing a bibliometric analysis? Maybe you have a specific topic in scientific, scientific papers, like human science, or also in other fields like physics, like education. You can do in any topic. I mean, in any field, you can do a bibliometric. The idea about bibliometric is to showing you a general view about what's going on in a specific topic or in your topic. How many papers has been wrote on your topic? How many authors has been doing it? How many institution? How many countries? And so on. Okay, so the first important is you want to know these. You want to know which let's say, for example, which writer or which researcher it is the most cited for your own topic. You can put this as in your table and mention all the about, you can say 10 researchers, okay, and you can say these are the researchers that work on my topic, and this kind of something new and not should be not has been worked before as well. Okay, so the second is second step. So it is research design. So you would for example, it would be a bibliometric analysis. How you will design? You will using citation data. You will be a combination from different approach. Like we will do a bibliometric and visualization. You can do a bibliometric and content analysis. You can do both. But for me, according to my experience, I didn't work in other approaches, but I concentrate on only bibliometric and visualization because I have already doing it, and I already make a paper and I publish it as well. Great. Okay, the third step, bibliometric data coding. So it will talk about how to search. You will using journal base, keyword base, or you can finding the article base. You can say how to select journal or which database you have to search in. You can use Scopus, you can use ISI, you can use Web of Science. So for us today, we will concentrate on Scopus, because Scopus, it's the largest database that has a lot, that's 1,000 and 100 research papers, which is the largest database in the world. Okay, so Web of Science, it's also a good database. Also, you can work on it, but I prefer Scopus because it's the largest one. Okay, great. After that, we have to know the methodology and the software. So we have to ask ourselves which bibliometric approach to choose. We have to do citation, like, or co-citation, which is, let's say, so co-citation, for example, let's say researcher A and researcher B and researcher C. You can say researcher A and researcher B, they cited from researcher C. So C, it has been worked with A and B. Okay, this called co-citation, or the same for co-authors. So which also you have to ask which software you will work. There's 100 and many software that you work. You can use it for bibliometric, but for us, we'll concentrate on both viewer. Okay, there is there is his side, there's sticks, and so on. And after this step, we have step number 5, which is analyzing the results. Okay, so how we can analyze the results? Analyzing a result by asking ourselves which are the most cited article, or which are the influential institution. Same, you ask which are the influential journal, or which are the emerging topics, and so on. This is, you can analyze it by doing analyzing according to your conclusion from bibliometric and visualization. The last thing is the interpretation and findings. You can say that the research question answered because, as you see, step 6 is related with the step 1. Step 1 talking about why you want to do this study, okay? And the answers should be in the step 6. So you have to say that the question has been answered in the step number 1 has been answered in the step number 6. You have to know that. You have to know that. And also using what are the new topics has been emerged. Maybe you can say there is a new topics. According to the years, over the time, new topics emerge and reveal from different scientific papers. So you have to concentrate. You say for specific topic, this topic it is a new one, and that's mean you suggest that other researchers could work on this specific topic in the future. Okay, this is a general idea about the steps that you have to walk it when doing a bibliometric analysis. Great. I hope everything is clear for now. Sorry if I was too fast to talking. Okay, great. So let's move on. Okay, so as I mentioned, that the data and the software, the database, there's two main database. There's many others, but Web of Science and Scopus are like the most important, and we say the most popular. Okay, so the software, there is BiExcel, HistSite, Post Viewer, Site Space, and Content Explorer. Also, we will concentrate on only Post Viewer, this one, okay? And that's it. This is all about the data and software. Okay, and this one, it's kind of mapping about whole techniques that we already talk about. Like there's method, research design, software, and outcome. For example, you see on the left side, you have citation, co-citation, bibliometric coupling, co-author, and keywords. That's mean the keywords, how many has been studied and worked in specific research or specific topic, sorry. Okay, and also these are the methods that you are working to. The analyzing design, we say bibliometric analysis that we work, and visualization. For bibliometric analysis, as you see here, there is a software working on Excel, BiExcel, Stix, HiStat. And we will talk about on Excel only for bibliometric analysis. For visualization, there's also many. You see here, we were working on both Viewer, as I said, okay? And the last one is content analysis, which is related with NVivo. It already has been explored and explained by Dr. Hamid. He is also a PhD student from Iraq, and we really appreciate it for him for his efforts as well. And the last thing is the outcomes. Okay, the outcomes you see, as we said, top journal, top article, sorry, top journal, top authors. All these you will find them by using the software Excel, and also the other topics related with intellectual structure and so on. Okay, I think yeah, that's it. So these are a general idea or general view about different topics or different approach that could be used and to analyze the literature review. And one of the methods is a bibliometric paper. Okay, so now we will act. We will do a bibliometric paper. Okay, let's go out from here, and I think I will stop the sharing a little bit. Okay, great. So just a minute, just to say, as we see here. Okay, and we will talking about how we do a bibliometric paper right now. Okay, we will share another site or another paper. Okay, so I think you can see the screen right now. Is all of the screen sharing, right? Everyone he can see? Everyone? Okay, great. So right now, what we have to do is the first step. You have to do it. You have to go to the UTM library, and you have to go to the database, the eJournal database, which will lead you to the Scopus. Because if you don't have a UTM account, you cannot access. Okay, this is the first step. So we have to write down right now here, say UTM library database. Okay. Great. So after that, we using online database, e-journals, and ebook. Okay, we have to choose this one. Okay. Let's see if the internet is good. Hopefully, it's going well right now. It's a little weak, the signal. Sorry, because I'm sharing online, so probably it's a little signal is not very clear, and it's not very strong. Let's see. Okay, so sorry for this. It could open right now, but just give it a minute. Okay, so so everyone can hear me and see everything. My voice is already clear. My screen sharing already clear. Okay. See. Oh yeah. I think the database. I mean, the signal. The problem is the signal. Okay, let's continue on. Great. So as you see, this is the main site. I mean, the main page for the UTM library information excellence. Okay. The first thing to do is you have to scroll down, and you see here A and Z listing. You have to using online database, e-journals, and ebooks. So we have to choose browser listing here. Go. We will go right now. He will asking you actually to access. You should already have an account, UTM account. Okay. So he need from you to log in. So you already have UTM ID and also password. Sorry. So I already here registered. So I will go click login. Okay. And yeah, we will waiting to open the library home, and also it could be worked very well. Great. Okay, so this access for UTM library, and as long as you have an account, it will giving you a lot of features because you are a student of UTM. So you can access to different journals and different database that could helping you to search on your topic that you are working on. It's also available for bachelor, master, and PhD students. Okay, so we have to scroll down. You see that this current access in 2020, there's a lot of access for different sites and different associations for database, and we will not concentrate on all of this. We have to go to Scopus, this one. Okay, click Scopus. Okay, so we are going to Scopus right now. Great. Okay, we enter to Scopus right now, and I will show you the steps that you have to work on to do your paper and to do your bibliometric paper research. Okay, so first of all, here in this bar, in this icon, you have to put this browser. You have to write your own topic. Okay, there's different ways to write your own topic. For example, I'm working on electronic word of mouth, which is E1, which is my own topic. I already worked on it, so I will use this topic, and you can use your own as well, your own topic as well. Okay. So when you click here, you have first thing you have to put between two brackets like this, okay, and you have to write down your topic, any topic that you are working in. Your what kind of topic? So for me, I will write electronic word of mouth. Okay, great. As you see, electronic word of mouth, this is my topic. And if you want to add another topic, let's say you have two topics, you can add as well. All you do is to put this star. This star, it's talking like you find electronic word of mouth. These keywords, you find it in article title, okay, and the abstract and the keywords. You have to find this. So Scopus database, we're looking for research papers that has an article title, abstract, and keywords, has the words, the keywords, electronic word of mouth. If you want to work on this only, okay, let's search, for example. Okay, there's another thing to do as well. If you want to study here, okay, if you want to study your topic in a specific duration, okay, let's say for 10 years, the last 10 years, you have to work on here, you see, this data range, you have working in a specific year. For example, you have to using from, for example, from 2009 until 2019. Okay, so as you see, these are 10-year period of time. This is 10 year, okay? So you can work on this, or you can without, I mean, you can do it without using a range of time, okay? It's up to you. Okay, so right now I will not using this. I will let it for all use. For all use. And here as well, it will be present like this, okay? Okay, let's try with this topic. Let's say right now we'll change this, and we will say search. Okay, let's see Scopus what will bring for us. Okay, let's see. Let's take a time a little bit because here it's dependent on. Okay, great. Okay, so right now you find out there is 1,359 documents related to electronic word of mouth. I think this range of articles, it will be good for you to do a bibliometric paper, or you can decrease it. So the idea is it's as long as you have many papers, it will be much better to do a bibliometric papers. Let's say about 2,000 paper, or maybe 150 and 1,500 paper documents. I mean, yeah, you can do like this, or you can do I mean, the minimum range, it should be 200. Don't looking for papers or looking for a topic under this range, okay? So because bibliometric paper, it will deal with many papers. So from 200 and above, okay? You have to look in this range. Okay, great. So right now, as you see, 1,395 document results. Okay, maybe you are not convinced. You can ask yourself, I want to looking in more details. So what we have to back. Let's say edit, go to edit. Okay, and we will see. Okay, so here that you want to add another topic. I mean, another keywords could be used as well. So all you have to do is, okay, great. You have to write down here. No, sorry. And you have to put it in capital letter, okay? And you have to put, for example, another topic. Let's say, the internet is not, it's not good today, sorry. Okay, so let's say electronic word of mouth, and yeah, and between two brackets, sorry, two brackets. Let's say you want to looking electronic word of mouth and social media. You can find sorry guys, I think it's there's a problem with the internet. Could you hear me? Could you see me? Anyone? See?
Yes, I can hear you and see you clearly.
Okay, okay, Ammar, thank you. Okay, great. Okay, let's continue. Sorry for the inconvenience. Is signal problems? Is always the problems with the internet. Okay, let's back to share the screen. I'm sorry for this. And okay, sorry. So we electronic word of mouth, and we have to put, like, let's say social media. You want to working with electronic word of mouth and social media. Write down social media. Okay, and we will we will press on search. Let's see the results right now. We will waiting Scopus. Oh, it has been decreased to about 391. Okay, because maybe there's not too much papers related with these two topics. So we will back to edit it again, and okay, let's see. Sorry for this. Always internet not very good. Let's say, okay, as you see that I will work on with electronic word of mouth only. Okay, that's about 1,300. I think this is quite good for doing a bibliometric paper. So I will move for this. So I just want to clarify for you that you can use different keywords and join them together using and. For example, word of mouth and social media. You see that social media and EWOM, our electronic word of mouth, are already correlated. So as you see that Scopus show to you, you can say the most cited papers and related with this as well. Okay, so we will move now with electronic word of mouth. And there is another techniques also. You have to, let's say, because the keywords, it has equivalent. There is, you can say, electronic word of mouth. Some papers using electronic word of mouth. Some papers using EWOM, which is abbreviation. Electronic, WOM, W, which is word, O, of, and mouth is M, EWOM. Some research paper using this, using abbreviation in their title. Okay, and so in this case, you want to take them as much as you can papers related with EWOM. So instead of using and, we're using or. You have to put in capital. Okay, this is or. So we will put now here, let's say E1. Okay, so right now we will see the papers that you're working with electronic word of mouth and E1 both. So if I don't say if I don't see electronic word of mouth, I can see E1. If I don't see E1, I can see electronic word of mouth, and so on. Okay, for example, let's search for this. Okay, so we will wait the document. Oh, you see, has been increased. It's about 1,000. Sorry, 1,633 documents. Okay, let's move on with this range of documents. Okay, great. Right now, as you see, this is papers, a lot of papers here, has it on working on electronic word of mouth or E1. On the left side, this is the left side is kind of refining your results, or let's say like filtration. Okay, sometimes you see there's these papers, this range of papers it's contain journals, articles, and so on. For example, let's see the access type. There's open access and there's other. Open access, which is already free, is about 172, which is from these documents. Okay, and the others is 1,400. Okay, so the years, we said that the years we will not work on a specific range of time, so we will take all the years. So we will not work on the years. Okay, these are the authors. Great, you see that the authors' names here who work on this topic. This is very important for you when you're doing your PhD research, or your thesis, sorry, or your master research as well. It's important to you to know the authors. Let's say the promote or the excellent author in your topic. So the excellent author here, the first author is Chunk, okay, Chunk, CMK, which has about 16 papers worked on the E1, okay, great. And you see here the subject area, there is in business and management, there is in computer science, there is in social science, there's in economy, okay. You can limit it them. For example, you want to work on business management and accounting only. You can choose it like this, and we have about 969, okay, and you say limit to, okay, you will limit to this, but I will not choose this because I will take all the subject areas in this in E1, which is worked in different, not in business only. It's up to you as well. Okay, you see here, this is document type. You see there is articles, there is conference paper, book chapter review, and conference review. So for me, I will decrease the results. I will concentrate on articles only, because articles, it will giving to me better results, and it will build to me as well better connection between the papers. Okay, I'll choose article. Okay, it's about 1,190. So what I have to do is set limit to these articles. You'll see the result, it will change. Okay, so it has been decreased, sorry, from 1,190 documents results, because I choose articles only. This is the type. Okay. Okay, for publication stage, source title, I will not concentrate on these keywords, affiliation and source type, and also language. Language is important. I think for as long as we are doing paper, much of the papers is English, in English, so we will choose English here, and we will limit to this range of papers as well. You will see the main number, it will decrease. Yeah, so see, it became now 1,169. Great. Okay, I think after refining the results, that will be enough for me to continue on to the next step. Okay, so my next step is I have to take all these documents and put them in Excel file. How I will do that? I will show it to you. Why I want to do this? Because when I take these files, I will working on both viewer, which is another paper or another software that will show me or visualize to me the relationship between all the number of 1,169 documents. Okay, great. So what I have to do right now, I have to, you see this button here? Okay, we have to take this. We have to take them all. Okay, all the papers we have, which is 1,169. Great. What we have to do now, we say export. You wanted to export them. Press export. Okay, as you see here, export document setting, there's different method. There's manually and there's many one. I will not concentrate on them all. I will choose CSV, which is Excel type. Okay, this will work with voice viewer. So I will click this. Okay, and what information do you want to export? Okay, most of the information I want to export them, it is citation information is already chosen, and also bibliographical information. This is very important. So I will choose them all. Okay, and I will concentrate on abstract and keywords as well, because this is important, because we'll talk about the keywords and index keywords and abstract. I will choose them too, and including references. Okay, for funding details, I will not consider about funding. Other information you can include reference as well. Okay, great. So right now, I think, yeah, now we have to say export. Great. Now we will waiting the files. Oh, yeah, you see here, it's already exporting the file to Scopus. You see that CSV file exported, see the download file on details. Okay. It's still working. Okay. So we will waiting until it's finished. So we will talk now until this file it's downloaded. How you want to know the authors, the top author, the top institution, the top articles. It's very important to do it on bibliometric research paper as well. So you see this button, analyze research results. Okay, click it. We'll click on this. Will giving me analyzing all the results of 1,169 papers or documents in E1. Okay, it will take a time. Okay, so you see in Scopus is already open. So the analyzing, we will talk to it about it later. Okay, we will talk now about how we export it. Okay, let's go to open the file. Okay, you see here, it has been exported in different details. On the left side, you see this the author's name, numbers, title, year, source, and so on, blah, blah, a lot of topics related with this. So we will not doing this, we will not concentrate. So all we have to do is to go to the main page of it. Okay, it has been downloaded, already downloaded in, let's say, okay, I think it has been downloaded in different specific area. Oh, sorry, I just will, I didn't know the extension, so I will download it again. Okay, it will not take a time. Okay, so we go into analyze the results. Okay, So this is the analyzing research results here. I will come in details about this later, okay? Because right now I just want to show you how you visualize your results first, and after that we'll go to analyze research results. Okay, I think it's about the time for this lecture. Oh yeah, I have a time. It will be until PM, 12 PM, 11 PM, sorry, because and after that we'll continue until 11:45 PM. Great. Okay, so we press here, we go to show in folder. You will see the folder. Okay, this is Scopus. This is the data that already exported from Scopus. Okay, I have to take them to another. Sorry, I just want to showing to you how using. I will change share screen. I will share whole screen so you can see what I'm doing. Okay, great. Okay, so now I will go to bibliometric one, and I will move it to here. This, move it to here, just to put it. You can do it in anywhere, actually, not a problem. Okay, we already export. Now we will do some visualization to our topic. What we have to do is we have to go to Voice Viewer. Okay, I will show you first how you can download Voice Viewer. Go here and choose. Sorry, because okay, write down here Voice Viewer. Voice Viewer. Okay, this one. If you don't have this program, it's already free. You can download it online, and it's completely free and easy to download. You see, Voice Viewer visualizing scientific landscapes. Press it. Okay, go to the site. Okay, it will enter to the Voice Viewer for the visualization program. Okay, you see, this is the main page for the Voice Viewer. What you have to do is go to download this button and press this button, download. Okay, see, you see here on the left side, you can download Voice Viewer in different versions, like download Voice Viewer, Microsoft Windows, my Mac, and other system. So we using download this one, Microsoft Windows system. I will not download it because I already have it, which is this one. Okay, great. This is the way how you can download Voice Viewer. Okay. Okay, right now what we have to do is waiting the Voice Viewer to open. Okay, and actually I will share with you some papers, bibliometric papers that could guide you when you write your own paper as well. I think this is also important. Okay. Voice Viewer is already opened right now. Great. See, this is the Voice Viewer. Okay, what we have to do now is to go to this button, which is called Create. Okay, and press here, Create. Okay, because we want to do a visualization to our documents that we already exported from Scopus. Okay, so choose type of data. Okay, you have to choose the second one. Create a map based on bibliographic data. Click here and press next. As long as we are doing bibliographic, which is bibliometric, so we're using the first one, read the form bibliometric data file. We press next. Okay, you see there is a different kind of files, Web of Science, Scopus, Dimensions, and we use Scopus because we already exported from Scopus. Okay, and we have to use this one. Okay, and to download the paper that we already downloaded. Okay, and this is the Scopus 2. We say okay, and we will say next, and we will wait the results. It is reading the Scopus files. Okay, let's see. Let's take a little time. There's many other programs for visualization, but this is, you can say, the easiest one, and also the much popular one, as I know, according to my knowledge. Let's see, reading Scopus files. Okay. Let's say we sometimes take a time a little bit. This is a very interesting program. It also came from like, yep. Okay, let's go on. Wait. So you see that choose type of analyze and counting method. Okay, on the left side, you see that type of analysis, we have co-authorship, co-occurrence, citation, bibliographic coupling, co-citation. It's, you want to use the analyzing, is up to you. How you will use it is up to you. You want to do on co-authorship, which is taking the author's names and looking for the linkage between them, or the occurrence, which is talking about the keywords and the author keywords and so on. The citation, same, also bibliographic coupling and co-citation. We have many types. So for me, I will share with you the only types that I worked with. Okay, so you can discuss this with your supervisor or with your colleagues if you want to share other kind of other type of analysis. Okay, so for example, I will use co-occurrence, okay, and I will use co-authorship. Okay, I will concentrate on these types. You can use other one, but for me, I will use these. Okay, let's say the unit of analysis you want to doing co-authorship according to the authors, to the organization, and to the country. Which one you want to choose? Let's say, for example, I want to the author. Let's see, that means the author, the researcher's names. Okay, let's say next. Okay, you see here the number of authors is about 41 author in EWOM, electronic word of mouth, has been exported here from Scopus. We say next. Okay, you see right now this is the names of the authors that already worked. It's this is the citation, and this is the total link strength. You can see there's many authors. You can not take any one of them. Okay, you can choose. You don't want to take them all, or you want. Usually, I will take them all, and I will see the relationship between them. I will say next. He will talk about some authors' items are not connected to each other. The largest set of connection items consists 16 items. Do you want to show this in the list? Usually I say I using only the connection, so I'll say no. We're talking about the items that are not correlated and there is no connection, so I will say to no. Okay. Yep. Okay. Sounds very nice circle. Okay, you see this not very much connections between many authors. Okay, see, and this is very small. So here on the right side, we can resize the names. Okay, see, this the names has been increased, so you can see. Also, you can size a variation. This is the balls. Usually, I use circles or frames here, it will be much easier to read. Okay, great. And this is the lines here on the left. You can do the lines. See this, the lines, if you want it thicker or want it smaller, is depend up to you. This is also a cluster group because this is different groups. Okay. Okay, so you see that some authors are correlated between each others and some are don't. For example, this one, okay, this authors look like all of them from China, and you see that, for example, Lao and Lei have a connection together. That's mean this is called co-authorship. It is co-authorship according to the author's name. Okay, and for example, there is another names that are not correlated. For example, this is not very connected, and this is also not very well. This is for the names of authorship. Okay, so it's not very good and strong connection between them. Much of them are related here. So if you want to know another visualize, you can doing overly visualization. It will giving you the visualization according to the years. You can see here 2019. These papers are the latest papers worked on EWOM, this and this, okay, and this one, okay, and and in 2014 you have maybe the last the last papers has been worked. You can say previous papers here, and this as well. You can say also another way. It is dentistry visualization. Yeah, this way showing to you these are the most density here, and most of the papers worked on with these authors. Okay, and the others are not very correlated or not very famous, as we can say like this. Okay, great. Okay, this is the visualization of the author. If you want to work on this, all you need to do is you take on the left side, you see here, and you find these files, and there's another button, items and analyze. Okay, for files, you can save it. For me, when I do this, I save it as a screenshot to put it on with my papers, and I mean with my bibliometric paper, to take a snapshot and put it in the Word. Okay, all you have to do is let's say screenshot. Okay, let's name it like EWOM core authorship. Okay, great. Save it. We save it right now. Great. So right now, if you want to go back to the previous one, you can see that we already visualize it. Bibliometric. Should visualize it here. Not yet. Yeah, sorry, there's it. EWOM co-authorship. Open it. You see, now it's became like a paper, or sorry, a photo that you can use it on your and put it with your Word file, and also make your explanation according to it. Okay, great. Right now, let's back to here, and maybe you want to make another visualization, for example, for the countries. Let's say we have to same the same way. Okay, we do it for author, and there's organizations and there's countries. Let's say we want to choose countries. And let's press next. Next. Yeah, there's about 42 countries has been worked on EWOM. That's great. Say next. Okay, these are the countries here on the left side, like United States, China, United Kingdom, South Korea, Australia, and so on. Sometimes you see some countries it's repeated, so you have to delete them or to untick them from here. Let's say, for example, I think I saw China has been to choose it twice. Not really. Okay, so sounds good. Great. Okay, let's say finish. The same idea talking about I don't want to see the unrelated items. Oh, okay. This is the results. Yep. Yeah, this is nice. Very nice. Okay. You see, these are the countries that worked on your topic. You see the largest one, it is United States. Okay. So according to this, United States has the bigger lines correlation with which different topics. And after that, I think China come the next level, and also United Kingdom as well. So these are very good visualization telling you the countries that has been worked on your topic. Okay. Okay, this is very nice. And the same thing, if you want to visualize it, you have to snap it here and save it like the first one I already showed you. Okay, now we have visualization for authors and for countries. And another one, I will work with keywords. Okay, we have to back right now. Also, I would just want to say that the clusters here showing to you there's 9 clusters. That's mean clustering every countries just together like this. This is green. Uh, this is blue. This is clustering according to the voice viewer. Okay. Okay, we'll not concentrate about the other things. Not very. I didn't work on this before, but you can say this is talking about analyzing. You can using layout, update layout. Like, yep, I think it's changed the layout. Not really. Same, I think. Yeah. Okay, so let's go now. Create another one. Okay, I will keep this to just to helping you to understand how I work. EWOM call, EWOM call, call. This is a EWOM, yes, call countries. Oh, sorry. Okay, save it. Okay, last visualization. It will work on the keywords. So we have to go right now and create. Okay, create a mapping visualization again. And in Scopus, we say next. And you see the second one, as already told you, the occurrence, there is all keywords, author keywords, index keywords. I will concentrate on all keywords, okay? I will say next, next. Whoa, there's a lot of keywords, about 2,066 keywords. Okay, let's see how the visualization will be. You ready? Okay. Whoa, there's many words here, and you see that many detailed and many keywords has been used in different specific topics or subtopics. Okay, we'll say finish. Let's see.
Sorry, I didn't understand.
That's very big. Oh yeah, and very specific one. Okay, you see this are the visualization, and many words has been worked on it, so maybe it is in a chaos a little bit, not very not very clear. Okay, and okay, this visualization telling you that social media and EWOM as a much interested way. And there is another way you have to maybe decrease the keywords. Go to create and also all keywords. Okay. Maybe you will next you will untick the repeated one. You can see there is many repeated one like this with S. Okay, this one. Yeah, yeah, many way. Maybe you can decrease them as well. Yeah, many subtopics related with this. Yeah, so you see this is the visualization. I'm talking to you that the must visualize one, it's here. You want many studies has worked on it. For example, you see, let's say branding, this one, it's still quiet. Maybe branding is not being studied too much. For example, this way of keywords also helping you to, you know, to understand and to know you gap, helping you to visualizing your knowledge gap in your topic as well. So you see that, for example, as I say, communication. See, this communication is related with internet, social media, and so on. So it's still quite, but not very concentrate. You can use, for example, EWOM with communication EWOM, and work on this topic. And also, for example, traveling. See, not very much. See, there is traveling is worked with electronic word of mouth only. It didn't work with others. So maybe this is also an option for you to choose this topic, electronic word of mouth in traveling and tourism, for example. See, this is could helping you to find and visualize and finalize your topic or your knowledge gap. Okay, great. And the same thing we say EWOM words. We save it as a photo because you want to save it in a file. Great. Okay, so this is all about the visualization here. And as you see, this are very important for you to helping you to visualize your data from bibliometric. Okay, so before we will move to this here on Scopus analyzing here, before we moving here, I just want to show you papers that also could be worked with you. You can write a bibliometric research paper in your own field. You find maybe an article that has been worked before that could helping you as well to do your own. Okay, so for example, there is okay. I just want to show you. This is my paper. I already made it. So you see that this is the paper and this is visualization. I will show it to you just the main topics here. This is the EWOM annual publication, and these are the tables that you will work on, like the top 10 most productive journals. I will show it to you as well. These we can do this from here. Yes, from this one. And analyzing research results, you find the answers in the Scopus database will helping you. I put the top 10 productive journals. Okay, and this is also a visualization. You see, this is a visualization for screenshot bibliometric for the countries. And this is the most profile authors in EWOM research papers. This is the authors, according to the authors, okay? And I think the last one here, it is the keywords, or you can say the keywords that I already showed to you. Okay, great. Okay, these are included. So see this photo. This is a photo actually, and this is also a photo. And also we can do this one as well by using the Google Maps, but I think I don't know if we have time to talk about this, because bibliometric paper doesn't it's need at least maybe two-way articles. I mean 2 times or 2 workshops to do it. Okay, great. And right now, I just want to show you other one. Like, let's say, yeah. See, this is bibliometric of social media research on co-citation and co-word analysis. This paper is worked on only co-citation and co-words only. You can use co-citation and co-word as well in your paper. Choose your topic, and this is this paper could also like helping you to finalize and to write your paper and guide you. See, this is here bibliometric analysis, everything related with the papers. Okay, and you see, yeah, this is the journals, and this is the number of articles change over time. See, this is a voice viewer, putting the name of the authors, visualization, you're talking to database here. I'm just showing to you that you can find a paper, okay, paper and online in your topic that could helping you and guide you to write your own. Because for me, I follow the same step. I write my paper according to the previous research paper, and I follow their steps as well. Okay. Okay, this is R, and also you can use this one. Okay, this one, it is bibliometric analysis for global research trend in microball fuel cell using that Scopus database. Actually, this paper, it has been shared with in a previous workshop I already attend. I wasn't know much information about bibliometric, but after I read it and I make my paper, I'm glad to share all this with you, to helping you to do your own. Okay, so this workshop, it belongs to Madame Johara, which is also from Malaysia here. She make her own paper, and it's very interesting paper, and I read it. You see, this is the top 10 productive journals. This is as I show you in my paper. This is the Google My Map, and this is the countries here. Also using the 50 most profiling authors here, and here are the keywords as we saw. I showed to you. Okay, yeah. So you can use this according to your paper. It's not difficult. Just you have to follow the steps and follow these steps and looking for paper, bibliometric paper, previous bibliometric paper that could help you to do your own. Okay. Very good. Okay, right now, I think we have to go right now to visualization after we explain the visualization by using voice viewer, and I think you have an idea about how you're using voice viewer right now. So we will talking about analyzing research results, and we will looking for the top 10 journals, as I show you in the table, the top authors, let's say top authors, and also the scale of document by years. Okay, and we'll do it all together. Great. Okay, so I will show it to you here. As you see, the documents about 1,169. Okay, on the left hand, you see the analyzing, it talking about the years and the document. For example, this year, about 179 documents has been worked on it in 2020, in 2019, about 2,000. And on the left hand, you see that document by year. You see that EWOM has been increased over the years. That means this topic, it has been concentrated on and is very popular. Okay, so over the years, EWOM has became a popular topic. Here it has been decreased because now we are about the half year of 2020, so there's the year didn't end, so there's another time. Okay. Okay, so down, when you scroll down here, you see that on the left hand, document period by source, this by author, by affiliation, by country, document type, document subject, and funding. Okay, we concentrate on this one and this one by source, the journals, by authors, okay, and by affiliation and also by country. Okay, let's talking about this. Okay, this one it's good to visualize it and use it to do your own paper. And for example, how I make this one, I'll just show it to you. Sorry. Okay. Yeah, this one. You see, EWOM annual publication. You see that this over the years it has been increased. Okay, how I can do this, how I can export this and put it in a Word file. Okay, the first thing to do is you have to use export. This, you see this export. Okay, click export. You have to export this data with CSV file. See it export. Okay, now show in folder. There is it. Let's see. Yeah, see, this is the exporting of the files that we already, this one, this is the years, and this is the number of files already exported from here. Okay, so how we do it on Word on Word? How we do it on Word? Okay, we'll open a Word. I will show to you how we can do it. Okay, here. Okay, all you have to do, you have to go to insert chart. Okay, use any chart you want. Okay, let's see, this one. Okay, for example, this one. Okay, and this chart, it has a different topic. Okay, this chart, it has been worked here. So what we have to do is just to delete this, categorizing, delete columns. Okay, and we put here, and also delete this one, we don't need it. Okay, that's good right now. Okay, so we will name this here, let's say according to this one, as we see it here, year and document. Okay, so we have to put documents, sorry, here. Oh, sorry, yeah. Format, layout. Sorry, I think just I want to make sure that I don't know where is it gone. Sorry for that. Okay, insert. We'll have to go. Okay, yeah, chart. Pick. I think there's, I don't know why they didn't choose it. I just want to make sure. Judge, you must first. Oh, I think it's already here. Oh, sorry, sorry. Sorry, babe. Sorry, guys. Yeah. Okay, we said we have to delete this one. Okay, delete column. Delete this. Like delete column, and we call this series one. It is document, and this here are years. Okay. Okay. Okay, so right now what we have to do is we have to take these, okay, the years and the document. Capital C, capital V. Yeah, okay, you see, it has been changed right now. This way is showing to you how we using visualization. As I show you here, like this paper, it's already worked. Just show it to you. Where is it? Yeah, this one. You can say is the same, and you can add another, you can modify it actually according to you. Okay, I just showing to you how you can visualize it and how you can edit different. This is the years, and this is the documents according to the years. Okay, great, very good. Okay, this one, and after you put this, you can write down, you write on it any according to the previous. You see that over the year, EWOM has been increased and so on. Okay, I just showed you how you do it. Okay, great. Okay, so this one is done. Let's back to our lecture here. Okay, so after we're making this document by year, we have to go on the left side. You see that document per year by source. We go to it. Yeah, okay, that's good. Here, that's showing to you the most interesting journal per year according to the topic. Okay, for example, my topic, the highest journal that's working on it, it's computer of human behavior. Okay, computer of human behavior, and just want great. Okay, so for example, computer of human behavior here, it is the largest journal that works on EWOM. Okay, this is scale he's working now. So I just want to go because we don't have enough time, about half hour left. So we have to say go to computer in human behavior. We click on it. Okay. We'll go. Okay, I will show it to you how I build the table. Okay. Okay, so the table, it could be worked on according to my table. This one, okay, is normal. You have to put the journal name first. After that, put total TP. It means total publication. TC is mean total citation. This is the cite score in 2018. This is the most cited article, and the time cited and the publisher. These are, we have to do it. I will work on only one journal, and you will know how to do it with the others. Okay, good. And the first thing is sorry, we have to work on the total publication. How we know the total publication of computer and human behavior, and total citation, and so on. Okay, so first of all, computer of a human resource. These very important. This is a most cited article. So I have to go to Scopus, and here Scopus contain coverage. Okay, you see that. Sorry, maybe this one. No. Yeah, here you see that the documents in the total document which has been cited in the last year is 325 documents. Okay, so you will concentrate on this year only. No need to mention all the documents in many other years. Okay, you can put this into 2020, 325 documents. Okay, this is according to total publication. Okay, total citation. Okay, so total citation, usually we take them, go to course card. This is citation. This is 30,840 citation in 2008. Actually, this is in 2018. That's the most cited way. Okay, you put the citation. Sorry, you see, is the same. Okay, 30,804. Okay, site score. The site score. This site score in 2018. Okay, let's see the site score here. Yeah, this is the site score. It's 6. You can find it here. See, site score in 2018, 6.14. Okay, and you can do the other thing is the most cited article or reference. How we know the most cited article? Okay, the most cited article, we have to go to the I think yes, few site score methodology. Sorry, we have to go to the course site present. And articles and conference paper articles. Oh, sorry, not from here. The content. Okay, for citation. Few citation for this year. Okay, we wait until it's work. Yeah, let's see if we want to know the most site because as long you are working on, let's say, like the most cited paper, and you can put it in your document, in your table as well. We're just waiting for it because it's still working. Sorry for that. The internet is so low. Okay, I hope it was useful for you. Okay, still working. Let's see. The most cited one is still working on it. It's take a time. Sometimes it's take a time because sometimes the signal became weak, and sometimes maybe the internet's not very good. Okay, and let's see here. Course cited. Sorry for that, guys. And I just want to make sure that's work. Okay, I will refresh it again. It's better. Okay, and yep, great. Sorry for that, guys. I think the internet is not very good today, and not lucky. Okay, so the most cited article, usually you can see, you find it here. Maybe the most cited article in 2018. You can use 2018 because, or 2019. Oh, sorry, because yeah, sorry, it is the citation work in only 2018 because it is the range. Every 4 years they make a citation. So right now we are start from 2018, 2021, and 22, and they will do it again. Okay, so here, as you see, we want to know the most cited article here. How we know it? We have to use the links here and the name, and how we find it. How we find the article is we have to. Oh, I don't know. The internet is so weak. Let's see. Yeah. Let's see, it's working or not. So you see that the most there's a co-citation. I mean, we will find the most cited article in your field, and you can put it on the table, and you will say that this article, it is the most cited, and also you have to mention which journal or which database has been worked in. Most of them, like Elsevier, like Web of Science, like Emerald, like Springers, and other database. Okay, and okay, so you see that this is this is quite difficult to deal with the internet connection. I don't know. Is the internet connection is also weak in your area, or I mean in your domain, in your area, or not? Because here the signal is depend. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's bad. So I hope that this is will change. Just a minute. We will refresh it again. Hopefully it could work. Okay, yeah, finally. Okay, so also all you do it is you have to go here. Oh, come on, serious? Sorry, guys. I don't know. Maybe it's not very good. Okay, so I just want to show it to you. Yeah. Yeah, okay. And please, guys, if anyone have a question, just register it, and I will answer you later at the end of the lecture. I will not take too much time. I will just show to you how we do it. If we don't explore it or we don't understand it more, we can also do another workshop. No problem. Okay. So I just want to show it to you the most cited articles. You have to using here, see, sort on, choose the count citation count, like in descending way. Yeah, okay. You see the most cited article? This one. Yeah, in 2018, it has been cited. I think it's about 20 times. You see, it's 20 times has been cited. This one. Okay? So you have to take this name of article and put it here. Okay? This is the same. Empathy and emotion experience in virtual environment. How many times cited? 57. And the publisher how we know about it? You have to go inside this article. Okay, go. We will use this article. Okay. Okay, so you see this article, the name of the article, and which you have to ask yourself which database has been worked on. It has been worked and published in Elsevier. See, the publisher, it's Elsevier. Okay, how many times has been cited? You can find it here. Citation in Scopus is 82. It has changed. Why? Because we are now in 2020. So I make this paper before 1 year ago. It was 57. Okay, 57 citation. But this time it has increased to 82. Okay, you have to change this to 82, and you have to put the publisher as well, which is Elsevier, as I showed you. Okay, great. So this all about you have to follow the same things. You have to put at least 10 journals here, okay? And you have to follow the same procedures to build your own table and explain it as well. Great. Okay, now let's move on to another one, which is according to the authorship. Okay, and because I think time is already will finish, so I'm sorry I couldn't explore everything about it, but I show it to you the main ideas and the main topics, the main procedures. Okay, so just we go back. We have to go back right now, and when we are going back here, that let's see, our Scopus will work. Yeah, we go back again. Go back. Okay, more. No, sorry, you have to go back. Okay, I think right now this will, yeah, we go to the analysis. Okay, after we talk about the journal, how we make now a schedule for the authors, we have to go to the document by authors. Okay, we have to choose it. Great, you see that this Sans Plus, these are the most cited article. That was a most cited author. Okay, you have about 8 documents you can see. Okay, how we do this, how we make this like this. Okay, we have to same doing author, Scopus author ID. Okay, we have to categorize years of the first publication, total publication, high index, total citation, current affiliation, and the country. Okay, I will explain just one, and you have to follow this the same with the rest. Okay, great. Okay, so let's choose, for example, this one, this author. It's just an example. Okay, great. Okay, so first important thing is to put author's name. As I show it to you, author's name, you have to put it here, like this one. Okay, Sans Blas, put it, Sylvia. Okay, good. And after that, we put the name. You have to put the author's, Scopus author's ID. How we find it? You have to go here. This is the Scopus author ID. This is the Scopus author ID. Okay, copy and paste. We have to put it in your table. Okay, the third one is year of the first publication. How we know the year, the year of the first publication? We go to the list below here. Okay, we have about 49 documents. Okay, and we have to using the oldest. Okay, the date will change to oldest. The Scopus database will fertilize the ideas for us. sorry, yeah, the oldest. Okay, the oldest one, the first publication for this author has been started in 2008. Okay, you see, this is the first author, Woos and Sans Bellas. Okay, you take the year. Okay, see, we choose the year here like this. We're using the first publication. How we know the total publication of him? Okay, you see the total publication here is about 49. Okay, you put here the total publication. Okay, and the total publication here. High index. How we know the high index of the author? We back here. The high index, you find it here. Yeah, this is the high index for the author. It's about 16. Okay, total citation. This is the total citation, 1,190. Okay, you have to put it here as well. Total citation. Okay, how we know current affiliation? Where does he work? This author, where? He work in the University of Valencia, which is in Spain. Okay, this is the affiliation. And the last thing is the country is Valencia, and if so, University of Valencia, and put Spain. Okay, that's it. This is all about how you make this list of the 15 profiled authors in E1 research area, okay, or any other specific topic. Okay, great. And actually, we have another things that related with this one, but I don't think so. We have enough time for this mapping. Okay, my map, how we do it, the countries according to the countries, and which is the most the total publication for each country. But I think we don't. I think we don't have a time. Maybe we can suggest to work another workshop. I'm ready to helping you all, guys. And because I will let right now a time for questions for the people and for the members, sorry, and participants to answer them. And I really appreciate your time and your patience. I hope you enjoy in this workshop, and inshallah we will meet you later in another workshop as well. Thank you very much. Okay, so any questions, guys, you can ask me right now. Okay, thank you very much for everything. Okay, I will stop sharing. Okay. Okay, guys, anyone have a question? You can answer. You can ask me. Okay, I have a friend. He asked me, would you please share the record? Okay, no problem. I already shared everything. I already recording right now. Until now, I'm still recording. After that, inshallah, I will share with you all. No problem. Okay. Any other question? Okay, Ammar saying, is VoiceOver available to download? Yeah, of course. It's already free. I already explained how you download this program and how you run it as well. I have a question from Safe. Okay, Safe, where you will share, please. Okay, I can share it. Let's say here maybe, or I can share it on the group on Iraqi ISS IRAQ. And also for the international student, I can share it on other groups as well. No problem. Don't worry about the sharing. I can. We will find a suitable way to share it with all of you guys. Okay. Okay. Another question. Okay. Okay, you are welcome, Ashin. Thank you for you as well. You are welcome. Okay, Homa said that please share the bibliometric paper as well. That will set you follow for your paper. Oh, okay, sure. I will share the bibliometric papers that in my topic and other topics that you can make it as a mind map for you to start doing your own bibliometric paper. Okay. You're welcome. You're welcome, brother. Okay, anything else, guys? Anyone have another questions related to this topic? I will share the records. I will share the files and the PDF files as well. And if I think I can share it here. Okay. Okay, actually, Huma said that please share your paper. If I can, okay, I can share my paper, but actually it's in the process of publication. It hasn't published yet, but I already sent it, and I'm waiting just to be published. Okay, I will share it, no problem, if you like. Okay. Oh, okay, you want me to share here? Okay, no problem. Just a minute. I think here I will do it. Let's see if I can for everyone. Okay, I'll share files. Just a minute for my computer. Okay, so we go to desktop and just I'll trying to share everything now. Okay. Okay, this is the first bibliometric paper for Haizawa. Okay, I shared this one, and I'll share another one, which is to be also useful for you to use it. Okay, great. I think it's already sent for the first paper, and the second one is for longs as well. And I will share my paper to okay, just a minute. I think okay, my paper, computer. Okay, I think that's I shared 3 files, PDF files that could helping you to write your own paper, including my paper as well, and hopefully that will be helping you in your career and in your journey to be a researcher, inshallah, and to finish your PhD and publish many other research papers. Okay, so anything else? Anyone have another question?
Yeah, doctor.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, I want to ask this question. In this analysis, for example, if you have a topic like sustainability,
okay,
you know that word, the sciences, maybe in the engineering, they can use that one. In marketing, they can use that one. In maybe accounting and finance, they can use that one. So in doing the analysis, you are not going to look at it from any angle, but rather you are using sustainability for you to do the analysis, whether it is coming from the sciences, from the social sciences, all together.
you're asking me that according to your topic, you want to say it's possible to do the same procedures that I did? That's your question?
Yeah, the question is something like the one you use, the EWOM that you use. Yeah, I think you use it for the analysis.
Yes,
So,
it is my topic. Yes.
It's your topic. So, if, for example, my topic is about sustainability.
Sustainability, yes.
In that case, maybe I am looking at it from the accounting or finance perspective. The same topic or the work can also be looked from the marketing, from real estate, from construction, all the disciplines. So in that case, you just use the word sustainability without looking at it from any of the areas, but in total that you use to do the analysis.
Oh, I understand. I understand your question. You're asking that sustainability, it could be worked in different aspects and different fields.
Yes.
You can choose, you can internalize it by using sustainability and, as I show you in the browsing, and the specific topic you are working in. Or you have to follow the filtration way, which is how you filtering and refine your ideas your research. For example, if you write down sustainability only and you click on research, the database will give you a lot of papers related with sustainability in different topics, in different fields. Okay, for example, in accounting, what you have to do is to have to go. I will show it to you. I'll show it to you. That will be easier for you to understand. Okay. You see now?
Yes.
Okay, great. I already showed all the people's, all the students here, that you can refine your research by doing it. For example, let's see. Okay, you see that I choose electronic word of mouth or EWOM only, right? So what I have to do is I have to go to the subject area. You see here? Okay. Yeah. As you see in subject area, there's different areas has been worked with EWOM. There's in business, computer science, social science, economy, psychology, even engineering. You see there's engineering as well, environment science and mathematics. What you have to do, for example, you are working in economy, let's say. What you have to do is to choose economy, and you have to limit to these papers only.
Okay.
Okay, now it will refining your results at about 1,150 articles related EWOM and economy. This is the results. You understand now?
So, yeah, I understand now. But so let me ask this one as well. So, so if you do the filtering, and let's say the number of papers you get is not enough, maybe 60. Would it be good to use the 60 articles to do the analysis?
I'm not suggesting that. I'm not preferring to do it because, as I said, you need at least 150 and above, or 250 and above. It will be better, because if you have just a few papers, is not easy, or you can say it's not. It's not novel. There will be any novelty when you create it, because no need to do it. So at least you need 150 pages or 200 and above papers to do the bibliometric paper. Okay?
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah, thank you. Thank you so much, Doctor.
You are welcome. You are welcome. You are welcome. Thank you. Okay, great. Anyone else? Anyone like to ask another question? Oh, okay, we have a question here. Okay, I think that's it. Okay, so anyone else? Okay, so Okay, there's a question from Al-Maliki. Al-Maliki, I think. I mean, you asked me where could we find the papers? I didn't understand. What do you mean? If you're asking the papers, I already participate them here. And that's it. No more questions. Okay, so sorry. Oh, great. Okay, Maliki, find them. Great. Okay, so thank you very much, guys, for your attendance for this workshop. I really appreciate your time, and I hopefully that workshop was very useful for you. That could helping you to finalize and make your own paper in bibliometric analysis. And I hope that the explanation wasn't boring. I hope it will be joyful and you are enjoyed in this. Okay, thank you very much for your time, and inshallah we'll see you in another lecture, another workshop. And I really appreciate as well the ISS IRAQ. Okay, especially Dr. Zaid and the members with them, that we all participate together to make this bibliometric analysis workshop to be succeeded. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day and good night.
Thank you, Doctor.
You're welcome.